Guys, I'm here in Walmart. People have been stocking up because of Hurricane Irma that they think is coming. Yep, this may be because of them as well. And over here in this aisle, you can see what this looks like. Check out the other side of the aisle. You can see through. People have been taking like toilet paper, or paper towels. This may be the paper towel aisle. Like, people have been freaking out about this hurricane. See, they got more. Check out this. People have been taking a lot of canned goods. You can see. And if that lady wasn't stocking down there, there may even be less stuff on the shelves. I'm in a Florida Walmart. More shelving. People be like, they're like wanting to prepare. They should get some rice. Rice and beans. More. See? Bunch of jelly. Check out where the bread is. Check this out. Bam. Wow. Guys, a little tip for people who like want to, concerned about this. They should have some wheat. But you can see they got, they like decimated a lot of the bread. My wife wants me to get some bananas, but they have those things on the top, and my kids might not want those. Check out this. I guess people wanted storage containers or something. And the battery section. I think it's batteries. What is that? Maybe they're flashlights? Maybe flashlights and batteries. Yeah. Whatever. Maybe they're flashlights. So, yeah. It's pretty wild. Guess they can't sell guns or ammo. But it looks like a bunch of something was sold. Maybe some kind of ammo. Well, yeah, check out this. Guess they needed coolers for ice. Who knows what this was? Maybe there were some stoves or something. These like instant shelters, containers.